I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
This video shows how to update your name and address on PAN online quickly. You will use the PAN correction or change request form online to update details. Prepare scanned identity and address documents in JPEG or PDF format before starting. Keep your original PAN card number and date of birth ready for verification. You will need a clear photograph and digital signature if required by the portal. Expect national processing time of 15 to 20 business days. Open the official PAN portal and select the Apply for PAN Correction option. Enter your existing PAN number and choose the fields you want to change. Upload identity and address proofs in JPEG or PDF format as instructed online. Make sure document file names are under 2 megabytes each and legible. Complete payment online and note the acknowledgement 15-digit receipt number provided. You must print or save the payment receipt for future tracking and verification. Use the 15-digit acknowledgement number to track your PAN update status on the portal. If the portal requests physical documents, dispatch them by speed post within 15 days to the specified address. Retain postage proof and scan copies of all dispatched documents for your records. Check your application status weekly until it shows processed or dispatched. Receive your updated PAN card by mail within 15 to 20 business days after processing completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.